Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right.
What is up, guys? This is Mom from Tech and Wine 9. Today we're doing something special. I have something special that we got from Apple a couple years ago. A new kind of a tech. Now, if Apple were to make something different, it would be something like this. This is the Apple Card Titanium Edition that they built and produced a few years back. They finally got it out. I officially got it a couple of days ago. I know they've had it for a few years, but you know, it is what it is. I got it now finally from them. It was pretty hard to get. I couldn't get it right away, but now I have it in my hand. It's the Apple Card. That's what we're gonna do an unboxing on, and we're gonna talk a little bit about it. This is gonna be a quick video, so here we go. Let's get this video started. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video with one of your friends, and let's get this video started. Boom. I like this song, man. Alright, let's get this thing opened and take a look what it's all about. Wow, beautiful, guys. Check that out. You've got the Apple logo embossed right inside it. Have you guys ever seen this before? I don't think there's that many cards out there that come with a presentation like this. Really nice. Let's open up this bad boy and take a look to see what we have inside it. Really nice. Wow, look at that, guys. Cha-ching. I really like that, guys. That is super sleek. Wow. You know, I really like how there's a minimalistic look to everything. The color that we have is a matte white color. I don't know how it's gonna fare over time. We're gonna have to see, especially being in a wallet, but I really like it. It's super sleek, super sexy. I am impressed. Look at that Goldman Sachs on there. You got the MasterCard, and then that Apple logo on it is really, really sleek. If you guys can see that, it's actually like almost like etched in there, so you can feel that it's there. It's really, really nice. The magnetic strip is on the bottom and it shows your name, but it does not have any number, so that's really cool for anybody that's trying to be incognito and wants to keep their numbers hidden. The only way to use this card is with Face ID, so just so you know, if anybody steals this card, nobody can use this card unless they specifically have your face somehow, which is impossible. Also, you can use your phone to use this card. So if you have Apple Pay on your phone, you can use this card. So basically it tells you exactly how to use this. You can actually basically put your phone next to it and it'll activate it just like any other Apple product, like putting a pair of AirPods right next to it, and it activates it. Just like that, it'll activate it and set up the card for you. Really, really nice, really, really easy to use. So you get a few benefits with this card. So why do you think you should use this card? Well, I'll tell you guys. First off, you get 1% cash back on everything. That's really good. Then you get a 2% for using Apple Pay on your phone, and you get 3% in any of the Apple stores. In my opinion, that's really good, but I don't know who's going to be spending that much money on the Apple store. But anyways, that is really, really good incentives to be able to use it. One negative that I did notice was that you can't use this everywhere, because not every store actually has Apple Pay set up in their store. So that's just something to keep in mind, okay? So you're gonna always have to have another credit card with you or another way to pay. Now you can use the Apple Card also on your Apple Watch. If you guys do have the Apple Watch, you can set it up on there. So that's another plus. So there's a lot of different ways you can do this. Let me just have a drink.
I need a drink right now. Oh yeah, that feels good. Nice hot cup of tea. Oh, so let's check out the card. Really, really nice. Okay, it's a heavy card. It's made out of one singular piece of metal. It's made out of titanium, which in my opinion is just bragging rights. It's more of almost like a status symbol, in my opinion. I wish if they made this in like a different colors, like maybe a green, like a forest green, or even like a matte black. I love matte black everything. And guys, I have more videos on my channel. Go ahead and hit on my channel icon and go ahead and watch those if you like this video. Definitely subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me, and I'll see you all the believers in the next one. Peace out, guys.